Hi everyone! Let's play a little game called Guess the Price Brunei Grocery Edition. You're about to see all the grocery that we bought. And every 1 peso, it's equivalent to 45.13. Look at this picture. Ngiting panalo, diba? Yes, Brunei dollar is wrong. Yes, the country is known to be expensive, but when you shop, surprise! Ang mura pala. Mukhang mahal pero hindi. This is how you will feel if you purchase no VAT, no sales tax. You can make your guess in peso or in Brunei dollars. So, ikaw ang bahala. So, ganito pala ang mag-shopping sa bansang walang VAT at walang tax. So, comment your guess below. And if you're really close to that price, I will send you guys a reward. If you enjoy this little guessing game, you can share this to your friends para malaman nila kung gaano ka-affordable dito.